Hello, I'm Rob Hoggins from the Agri Academy Rural Leadership Programme, class of 2016, and here's my 60-second video. Being fortunate to be part of Agri Academy has been a fantastic time for me. We were able to meet very like-minded people, network with people, and we were put in opportunities. We were able to speak to very influential people within the agricultural industry. It's given me an insight into what's happening in the political world and an understanding of how we need to be more involved in what's going on. Similarly, with the trip out to Brussels and the foreign travel, we were able to meet people who can influence agricultural policy at a European-wide level, not just on a Welsh level. And similarly, there was chance encounters that we had in Brussels that led to excellent contacts being made with people who we've since been fortunate to have talks from at different locations and also been able to meet with. I advise anyone who's thinking about going on the Agri Academy to do so. Thank you.